All right, this is my first attempt at making the homemade jelly plate, and I'll show you the ingredients in this. I'll make another one, also a video when covering how I made it, but this is the silicone container. Pull it away. I just want to very successful. And so I need to, this is pretty thick, that's about an inch thick, squishy inch thick. I'm gonna have to let it sit out. This is the surface that you generally don't work on, but it is really smooth too. Try to bring it in the light so you can see it. It really is smooth, and so I can use that side. There's some tiny bubbles, but it's inside it. It's inside it. The surface is smooth, and then the bottom part, the part that faces the container, is rather smooth also. You can see a little gradation to it because that's the texture of the silicone container it was in, but I don't think that's going to matter because I really don't want mine smooth. I like the little small imperfections that give you some nice textures on the monoprint. But this is really good, and I am so excited. I can't wait to try it out. And I'll get some more ingredients and show you what I used how I made it. Which I used the same ingredients that most people online are telling you to use. I just mix mine differently. And it was like no mess, all mixed in one cup. I use a cup, yes I do. So I'll show you how to do that. And it was quick, it was easy. Ta-da! Thank you for joining me for the homemade gel plate. That's what I'll call it. It's made out after, I think the trademark name is Jelly Plate. Jelly, but because it's made from gelatin. So, homemade gel plate for monoprinting.